I kind of see myself as a sort of semi-retired landscape gardener, and I see myself, and I guess it's part of my love language, which is acts of service. I kind of like the fact that I can probably achieve this a lot cheaper for the customer, as opposed to them getting the garden building company or you know, whoever else to do this base for them. It is going to be a challenge, but preparation is everything. Come home to Daddy. Come and have a look. It's in the bag. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's all there. It's all done. Fantastic. And here's the star of the show. None of it would have happened without me trusty Neela. Fantastic. So, El Completo, and what do you think?
Brilliant. Yeah.
Liking the job. Thank you for the work, and pleasure to get it done.
Cheers. Thank you.
Ta-da! Oh yes, it fits snugly on my base. Yes, it's a nice building. All laid out inside with the sort of sofa and the office desk and computer, and I've just mounded this border a little bit, which might get planted up just so it sets it off really nicely. But there we go, what a success. And I've got the gap down the back there and the gap down the other side, which I will probably use up the last of the slabs over there, create a pathway around it. This garden, by the way, one that I maintain, when I first started this garden, I think there was about a metre to walk down through the middle of this garden. Everything else had grown that much. Brambles, everything thick. Yep, I think I remember it as being about a 1 metre walkway down the middle, with just everything else completely taken over. But I like the shapes, the lawn shapes, circulars. I like circles. But there we are. It's really mainly about, oh, the job is done. Yes, I injured my back doing it, but I got over that. It's been perseverance, and it's been the love language, acts of service, throughout this video series.